We are still on our longitude and latitude. This is the second lesson on longitude and latitude. And in this lesson, we are looking at location of places. You recall in our previous class on longitude and latitude, I said we use lines of latitude and longitude for location of places on the Earth's surface. Each place on the Earth's surface have a particular lines of latitude and longitude associated with it. So for you to locate a point on the Earth's surface, you must know its latitude and longitude. Now let's look at example. Draw sketches to illustrate the position of the following places on the Earth's surface. You have P is a point or a place on the Earth's surface. Latitude 20 degree north, 40 degree east. The lines of longitude and latitude are always written in order pair. In order pair means the lines of latitude always come first before lines of longitude. So the first one here is always your lines of latitude, while the second one is always your line of longitude. It is always like that. It is conventional for you to always write it like that. The line of latitude always come before lines of longitude. So this is latitude, this is longitude. And latitude always have the north and the south because it runs from the earth, center of the earth and above, north, then center of the earth and below, south. So they have this north and south poles. But the lines of longitude have this west and east side. So you always have north or south here, then east or west here, latitude and longitude. So how do we locate P on the Earth's surface? They said we should draw a sketch. So I'm just going to draw a small circle to look like the Earth, then I'll locate the position of the place. Let me draw the P here. Let's say you have the Earth. This is the Earth. Then you have north and south, east and west. And this is your equator. So you have P 20 degree north. The north are the lines of latitude from the center of the earth and above it. North is like this. So let's say this is the north. Then 40 degree east. The east is this side. So you have 40 degree east. The point where the lines of latitude meets the points of longitude will be equal to our point here. This is where the two lines. This is your 20 degree north. This is your 40 degree east. The point that they meet is our P. So that's how you locate the position of a point on the Earth's surface. So where the two lines, the line of latitude meets the lines of longitude, that's where our position will be. So that's the first one. Then let's look at the second example. So we want to locate Y. So let's draw a sketch of the Earth. Then you have your north and south poles. Then your east and west poles. Then the equator. So now you have 18 degrees south. 18 degrees south. The south are the lines of latitude below the Earth's surface. So that will be this side. This is my 18 degree south. And 36 degree east. The east is still this side. So you have, so this is my 33 degree east. Where this line of longitude meet these lines of latitude, this point, that's my Y. Not this place. This is just the center of the small circle. So it's not this place. It's this point here. So it's not here. This is just center of the small circle, not this place. It's always this place, the arc. So the third one, you have this. So let's draw the edge. Let me try and draw that one here. So you have the north and south, the east and west. Then this is the equator. Then you have 74 degrees south. This is the south. This is the 74 degrees south. And 48 degree west. So this is the west side. 48 degree west. So where the 2 points, this is my 48 degree west. So where the 2 points, where they meet, which is this place rather, this is the earth, the equator, center of the earth. And where the 2 points, where they meet here, is my W. So this is how you locate places on the earth's surface. So you can use this knowledge of location of places on the earth's surface to answer these two questions. But if you are not able to do it, then I'll do it for you in the next episode. Thank you.